And the winter woods were focused on the night sky and the dark, dark blue and a little bit of silver, a little bit of white. And so when we look at the ornaments that are trending hot right now from winter woods, again, we are seeing these glass ornaments with this blue color, but again, the frosting, that's what we're seeing that is trending very well. We have these in red, we have these in green, and in winter woods, we have them in blue. And no matter which collection they're in, the frosted glass ornament is trending hot for us here at Melrose. The other thing that's doing really well are these shaped ornaments. Look at this, it looks kind of like an icicle, it's kind of like a shaped ornament, but this is in a very light blue color, just an ice blue. This one is doing very, very well for us. As we move up the tree, one of the things that you're gonna see are our laser cut snowflakes, and these come in two different sizes. I'm gonna show you the small one right here and turn that. It's got a little bit of a glitter on its face. Gorgeous detailing on that snowflake. And here we have the larger one, its cousin, and it looks beautiful too. We're gonna slide over to the second winter woods tree and take a look at its trending ornaments. Here we are at our second winter woods tree. The first thing you're gonna see here, and we've got a couple of these cousin ones. These are an ombre, the really dark blue. You can see that behind my hand, down to the translucent clear color. This one is just a slightly different shape, but again, very impressive. These ornaments are doing very well off of this tree. I've got another pair that's doing really well. Here's one here. And again, it's because of the detailing. If I just turn that just a little bit, can you see all of that detail in the glass? That ornament is doing fantastic. It's got a little pair right over here. Again, another shaped glass ornament is trending hot this season. I'm gonna show you just a little bit more for these that are doing so well. And they happen to be these ornaments here that look kind of like an icicle. They come down to a point, but again, we've got that ombre on that entire ornament. So we've got the beading at the top, the pearl, the white that looks like the ice, but we've got the darker blue that fades down into that white ice.